Your brain is your most powerful organ, and what you eat directly impacts its performance. Certain nutrients can improve focus, memory, and overall cognitive function, while poor dietary choices can slow you down and drain your energy. In this video, we'll explore the key brain-boosting nutrients, how they work, and how to incorporate them into your daily diet for optimal mental performance. Subscribe for more science-based nutrition insights and strategies to enhance your health and mind. Medical debt is one of the leading causes of financial stress worldwide. One unexpected hospital visit, a surgery, or even a short emergency room stay can send bills skyrocketing into the thousands. For people without insurance, the fear of medical costs can be as painful as the illness itself. But here's the truth. Even without coverage, you still have power. You can negotiate, plan, and manage your bills before they turn into lifelong debt. Avoiding medical debt isn't about luck. It's about knowing your rights, speaking up early, and taking control of the process. Here are the 10 smartest ways to protect yourself from crushing medical debt, even if you're uninsured. Point 10. Always request an itemized bill after any medical treatment. The first rule is simple. Never pay the first bill you receive without reviewing it. Hospitals and clinics often send summary bills that don't show what each charge is for. Request an itemized bill listing every service, medication, and supply used. You'll be surprised how often errors appear. Duplicate charges, wrong quantities, or procedures you never received. Correcting these mistakes can cut hundreds or even thousands off your balance. You're legally entitled to that breakdown, so don't hesitate to ask for it. Point 9. Compare prices and question overcharges. Medical billing isn't set in stone. Costs can vary widely from one facility to another, even for the same treatment. Websites like Healthcare Bluebook, GoodRx, or Fair Health Consumer allow you to check fair market prices for medical services in your area. If your bill is significantly higher, bring that data to the billing office and negotiate a reduction. Hospitals prefer partial payments over unpaid bills that end up in collections, so use that leverage. A simple question like, "Can we review this charge? It seems higher than the average rate," can open the door to major discounts. Point 8. Ask for a self-pay or cash discount if you're uninsured. Always tell the billing department upfront. Many hospitals and private clinics offer self-pay or cash pay discounts for patients without insurance. These discounts can range from 20% to 80% off the total bill, depending on the facility's policy. Paying a portion upfront often helps you qualify for a better rate. Even if you can't pay everything immediately, showing a willingness to cooperate makes the provider more flexible. You'd be surprised how much friendlier they become once they know you're communicating honestly and early. Point 7. Negotiate before it goes to collections. Once your bill is turned over to a collection agency, your options shrink dramatically. Interest and penalties pile up fast, and your credit score can take a serious hit. That's why timing is everything. Contact the hospital's billing department as soon as you receive your statement. Explain your financial situation and ask about charity care programs, sliding scale options, or financial hardship discounts. Hospitals would rather work with you directly than lose money to a third-party collector. Early communication is your best weapon against debt. Point 6. Apply for financial assistance or charity care. Most hospitals, especially nonprofit ones, are legally required to offer financial assistance programs for patients who can't afford to pay. These programs can reduce or even erase your bill based on income, family size, and financial need. You'll usually need to provide proof of income, tax returns, or pay stubs, but it's worth it. Thousands of uninsured patients qualify for full or partial forgiveness every year and never realize it. Ask for the hospital's charity care policy. They must provide it if you request it. Point 5. Set up a no-interest payment plan if your bill is too large to pay at once. Request a payment plan directly through the hospital or clinic. Many facilities offer interest-free monthly payments over 6 to 24 months. This helps you avoid credit card interest or payday loans that can triple your debt. Get the agreement in writing and make consistent payments to avoid defaulting. The goal isn't to pay everything immediately. It's to pay steadily without sacrificing your rent, food, or other essentials. Responsible consistency is more valuable than fast repayment. Point 4. Seek help from medical billing advocates if the bill seems overwhelming or too complicated to dispute on your own. Consider hiring a medical billing advocate. These professionals specialize in identifying overcharges, negotiating with hospitals, and reducing bills, sometimes by thousands of dollars. While some charge a small fee, others take a percentage of what they save you, making their help worth every penny. They know the system better than most patients and can level the playing field when dealing with aggressive billing offices. Point 3. Use government or nonprofit resources even without insurance. There are organizations that can help. Programs like Medicaid, in some states, local community health centers, and nonprofit groups such as the Patient Advocate Foundation offer financial guidance and assistance. They help patients find aid, dispute bills, and even apply for hospital relief programs. In emergencies, check if your area offers free or low-cost clinics for follow-up visits. They can prevent future medical issues and more bills from developing. Point 2. Avoid high-interest credit cards or loans when panic hits. Many patients turn to credit cards, payday loans, or personal loans to pay medical bills. This is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Medical debt is often interest-free if handled through hospitals, but once transferred to a financial lender, it becomes high-interest consumer debt. A $3,000 bill can turn into $9,000 in a few years. Instead of rushing to pay it off with borrowed money, focus on negotiating directly with the provider or finding charitable relief. Debt collectors prey on desperation. Don't give them that power. Point 1. Know your rights and stay calm above all. Remember this: you have rights. Hospitals cannot force immediate payment or deny emergency treatment based on your ability to pay. The Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act, EMTLA, ensures that anyone who visits an emergency room must be stabilized regardless of insurance or income. If you receive harassing calls from collectors, you're protected under the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, FDCPA. You can demand that all communication be in writing. Knowledge is protection. The calmer and more informed you are, the more leverage you have to resolve medical bills fairly. Take control before debt takes you. Medical debt can feel like an invisible weight, but it's not unbeatable. Even without insurance, you can challenge, negotiate, and reduce what you owe. Most hospitals aren't out to destroy patients. They simply rely on systems that few people question. By understanding how billing works, asking the right questions, and standing firm, you can protect your finances while still getting the care you need. And that's how proper nutrition fuels your brain, supporting memory, focus, and cognitive function every day. If this video helped you understand how to eat smarter for your mind, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more evidence-based health and nutrition guidance. Stay consistent, choose nutrient-rich foods, and give your brain the fuel it deserves.